Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm to help other people like you find the best work from home job, and also subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when we have brand new work from home opportunities for you. Today's work from home opportunity comes from the company Junk Removal Authority. They're looking for a part-time content creator. It pays up to $18 an hour. Part-time content creator. Job description. The content creator has a wide array of responsibilities with JRA. The CC will write landing page content for JRA's website customers. Content should be of high quality and optimized for both search engines and customers. Content should be helpful to real-world users to increase the likelihood of content receiving external links. As a part-time remote employee, the CC workload will fluctuate depending on the amount of new website construction happening at any given time. This position reports to JRAS Web, project manager, who will delegate content writing activities as new website sales come in. It is expected that the CC will gain a basic understanding of the content that they will be writing about. Junk Removal Authority works exclusively with companies in the home services industries, including junk removal, heating and cooling, power washing, moving, lawn services, etc. Example content and appropriate resources will be provided to the CC when given a task. Required skills. This role will require the following traits: excellent written communication skills, excellent grammar and spelling, ability to learn about new industries and write content for various services within those industries, understand basic search engine optimization best practices and techniques. Preferred skills. Although not required, we'd love someone with previous experience in a content writing role, such as blogs or landing pages, previous experience employing SEO strategies, some education in journalism, English, marketing, communication, or another relevant field. Pay. This position will receive compensation on a per-page basis at a rate of $15 per page. An example project this position could execute would include a series of 5 minutes 15 landing pages to be used for a new website, delivered together as a packet. Benefits. Part-time employees are not currently eligible for any benefits. Job types. Part-time, contract. Pay $15, $18 per hour. COVID-19 considerations. This is a remote work opportunity. Application question. Are you familiar with WordPress? Education. Bachelor's. Experience. Social media marketing, 1 year. Writing skills, 1 year. If you feel like this is the perfect job opportunity for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads here on this channel every single day. So if you want to keep up, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we have the best work from home job that's available for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.